Make a great choice today with the 2015 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, trip odometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.